Good morning, sir. Myself, Om Monica. My wearing pin number 244G580407. My subject name, Antenna and Wave Propagation. My subject code 23ECE502. My topic name, Uniform Linear Arrays. That broadside arrays and fire arrays. Introduction to uniform linear arrays. Uniform linear arrays consist of equal spaced antennas elements. Elements are arranged in a straight line. They are widely used in radar, sonar, and wireless communication systems. For directional signal transmission and reception, the array's geometric significantly influence its radiation pattern and directivity characteristics. Basic concepts of ULA. The spacing between elements is typically half of the wavelength to prevent scattering lobes. The array factor determines the overall radiation pattern based on element spacing and excitation. ULAs can be designed to steer the beam electronically by adjusting phase shifting across elements. Broadside arrays definition and characteristics. Broadside arrays have their mainly beam direction perpendicular to the array's line. They provide maximum radiation in directions normal to array axis, ideal for coverage over the broad area. The element excitation is usually uniform with zero phase shift between elements. Radiation pattern of broadside arrays. The pattern exhibits a main loop perpendicular to the array with side loops of half angles. The beamwidth is inversely proportional to the array length, affecting resolution. Side lobes can be minimized through amplitude tapering to reduce interference and improve directivity. Endfire arrays definition and characteristics. Endfire arrays have their main beam directed along the axis of the array, either forward or backward. They are usually for application requiring long-range radiational transmission or reception. The excitation phase is typically adjusted to produce a phase progression along the array length for beam straightening. Radiation pattern of the endfire arrays. The main loop points along the array axis with narrower beamwidth compared to broadside arrays. The array can achieve higher directivity due to elongated shape and phase control. Proper element excitation is crucial to maintain a strong forward or backward while suppressing side loops. Comparison broadside arrays versus endfire arrays. Broadside array radiation perpendicular to the arrays suitable for broad coverage while endfire arrays focus along the area's axis long range communication. Endfire arrays generally have a narrower main loop and a higher directivity than broadside arrays. The choice between the two depends on the application's coverage area and directional requirements. Applications of broadside arrays. Broadside arrays are ideal for radar systems requiring wide area surveillance. They are used in phase arrays, antennas for beamwidth, scanning and tracking. Wireless based stations often employ broadside array for uniform coverage over a sector. Applications of endfire array. Endfire array are suitable for point-to-point communication. They are utilized in sonar systems for long range target detection. Directional antennas is in satellite communication also benefit from endfire array configurations. Summary and conclusion. Uniform linear arrays offer flexible beamforming capabilities through different configuration like broadside and endfire. Broadside array provide wide coverage with a main loop perpendicular to the array axis, while endfire array focus along the arrays lens for higher directivity. The selection between these array types depends on the specific requirements for coverage, range, and resolution in various applications. Thank you.